Chapter 4. Card Spreads. Tarot Guidebook. 78 Card Deck Guidebook. Celtic Cross Spread. The Celtic Cross Spread is one of the most well-known and widely used tarot spreads. It consists of 10 cards, each of which represents a different aspect of the querent's life. The spread is often used for more in-depth readings, as it can offer a deep understanding of the querent's past, present, and future. Here is how to perform the Celtic Cross Spread. The Significator. Choose a card from the deck to represent the querent. This card should be chosen based on the querent's gender, age, or personality traits. The Cross. Lay 4 cards in a cross shape over the Significator. The first card represents the present situation, the second represents the challenge, the third represents the past, and the fourth represents the future. The Staff. Lay 4 cards vertically to the right of the cross. These cards represent the external forces that are affecting the querent's life, such as friends, family, or work. The Crown. Lay a final card at the top of the spread. This card represents the querent's ultimate goal or destiny. Now let's take a closer look at the interpretation of each card in the Celtic Cross Spread. The Significator. This card represents the querent and can offer insight into their personality, desires, or current state of mind. The Present Situation. This card represents the current state of the querent's life. It can offer insight into their emotions, thoughts, or actions. The Challenge. This card represents the main challenge or obstacle that the querent is currently facing. It can offer insight into what is blocking their progress or causing them difficulty. The Past. This card represents the past events or influences that have led the querent to their current situation. It can offer insight into their history or background. The Future. This card represents the likely outcome of the querent's current situation. It can offer insight into what is to come or what the querent can expect in the near future. External Factors. These 4 cards represent the external forces that are affecting the querent's life, such as friends, family, work, or society. Each card can offer insight into a different aspect of the querent's external environment. Hopes and Fears. This card represents the querent's hopes and fears. It can offer insight into what they desire or what they are afraid of. The Outcome. This card represents the ultimate outcome of the querent's situation. It can offer insight into what the querent can expect in the long term. Guidance. This card represents the guidance or advice that the querent needs to move forward. It can offer insight into what actions the querent should take or what mindset they should adopt. Destiny. This card represents the querent's ultimate destiny or life purpose. It can offer insight into what the querent is meant to do or achieve in their lifetime. In conclusion, the Celtic Cross Spread is a powerful tool for gaining insight into the querent's life. Each card in the spread represents a different aspect of the querent's past, present, and future, and can offer guidance on how to move forward. The interpretation of each card is highly subjective and can vary depending on the individual reader's intuition and experience. With practice, the Celtic Cross Spread can become a valuable tool for both personal growth and divination.